Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. We have the SMARTWOOL base layer. Alright. Okay, really nice. Nice and soft. Has a medium side for me. Looks fine. 100% satisfaction guarantee. This is a Merino 250. Build your base layer. 100% merino wool next to skin for long-lasting comfort. Has the highest quality, sustainable sourced in natural fibers. Thermoregulating, our warmest weight, insulates when warm and insulates when cold and breeze when warm. Manage sweat. Quickly transport sweat away from body, helping to keep you dry. Odor resistance. The wool and bacteria don't get along, helping you keep stink free. And they say why this merino base layer essential. It says we put soft thermoregulating odor resisting merino for matters next to the skin. Our base layers use a form hugging slim fit to maximize merino contact. We use low profile non-chafing seams to enhance comfort when worn under other gear. Merino wool base layers work best with merino wool mid layer, allowing sweat to escape efficiently. And this one is $100. So yeah, if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. And thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.